Changed your mind about a purchase you made with Klarna? In this video, I'll explain the correct process to cancel your order and what happens to your payments. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. It's important to know that you don't cancel the order with Klarna. You cancel it with the retailer. As soon as you decide you don't want the item, contact the retailer's customer service or use the cancel order function in your account on their website. Once the retailer processes your cancellation and confirms it with Klarna, your Klarna payment plan will be automatically cancelled. Any payments you've already made will be refunded directly to the debit or credit card you used. The pending future payments will simply be cancelled. A crucial pro tip: act quickly. If you cancel before the item ships, the process is usually smooth. If it has already shipped, you'll likely need to wait to receive it and then go through the retailer's standard return process to get your refund. And just like that, you can shop with the confidence that you can change your mind. Canceling a Klarna order is all about working with the merchant. Have you ever had to cancel an order made with Klarna? How is the refund process? Share your story. For returns, watch our next video on returning items paid with Klarna. Thanks for watching.